The fine folks at Creative Fabrica have joined up with me to offer a great contest. It's fun, it's free, and in this video I'm going to be talking about what it is. There's this thing on Creative Fabrica called the Craft Club. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter to win 3 months free subscription to the Creative Fabrica Craft Club. Let's jump in. Okay, so if you've never heard of Creative Fabrica before, today's your lucky day. I love Creative Fabrica. I'm happy to be an ambassador for it. Creative Fabrica is an online site that has millions of designs and fonts and all sorts of cool things for the person that loves print on demand. There's t-shirt bundles, there's different colored fonts, there's all sorts of really neat designs that you can download, and there's commercial license included. Some of the items are exclusive to Creative Fabrica. All of them have print on demand or commercial usage allowed. It's a really great resource and I use it a lot for my print on demand journey. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about the Craft Club, and so I'm going to go up to the top here, and along the top menu there's a tools button, and then I'm just going to go down a few to the Craft Club. So I would encourage you to sign up on Creative Fabrica, and I'll put the link in the video description below. You can check out bundles, all sorts of great designs. So what is the Craft Club? The Craft Club is a really neat idea. Users on Creative Fabrica can submit design requests, and you can ask for basically what you want. You can ask for a customized design. So here's an example. This person's asking for a veterinary assistant. I find ones for veterinarian and vet tech, but not an assistant. And digital design sellers will then make different designs and they'll list them inside of the Craft Club. Here's another one. This person says, I'm looking for girl boss clip art, girl holding a tablet, a watercolor look would be awesome. And this one's pretty new, and so there's now somebody who submitted a design that we can see, and it's now part of the Craft Club. So because I'm a member of Creative Fabrica, I could download this design and I could even request my own. Requesting a design is really fun. I can go over here to the right and I can say submit a design request, and I can type in pretty much whatever I want. I could say I want a funny cat, a funny dog, I want a penguin holding a rifle, whatever I want to do, right? It's a really neat idea. And so you can scroll on down and you can see all the different designs that people are requesting. Okay, so let's talk about the contest. This contest is open to everybody. It's completely free, and all you need to do is send me an email at zenwatercooler34@gmail.com. That email address again is zenwatercooler34@gmail.com, and I'm going to pick 3 lucky winners at random, and you're going to get a coupon where you can then purchase the 3-month subscription for essentially for free. I'd love for you to check it out. Everybody who's watching, I'd love you to check out Creative Fabrica as well. There's all sorts of great things in here. There's fonts, graphics, all sorts of crafts. Now you may have noticed as I'm on Creative Fabrica and I scroll on down, everything here is included. There's a little green check mark that says this is included because I have a subscription. If you're interested in getting a subscription, that means you get access to everything, unlimited access. You could download as much as you want, whenever you want. It's an amazing deal. The link will be in the video description down below, and you can get the all access subscription for $19 US a month. That's a 35% discount. And again, it gives you everything included, and the first month is only $1. There's also a freebie section as well. Let's not overlook that. Right there, there's a freebie section, and the freebie section is great too. Tons of free stuff, and these have commercial license as well. So don't forget to check that out. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I would love for you to shoot me an email to enter the contest, and I promise you, I'm not doing anything with the email addresses other than just pick a winner, and it would be great to connect with you. So I really hope you join the contest, and you know what? Creative Fabrica is so much fun anyway. Everyone's a winner when you check out Creative Fabrica. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Here's another video on why I love Creative Fabrica so much, so check that one out too.